everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. We are starting off with a crash course for the June 2024 students, those of the students who are appearing for the CSIR UGC NET June 2024 examination. Botany Insider is launching a crash course for all the students in the most affordable pricing and in the most quality content possible for you all. The crash course will be operated on our application. Yes, Botany Insider have its own application. If you haven't yet downloaded it, I have provided the link for all the downloads in the description box. Click on the link. If you are using Android or iOS, both way around, you can download our application and you can check out a number of courses that are running on our application right now. So, we are starting off with a crash course for the June 2024 students. And in this particular video, I'll be providing you the entire information for what all things will be discussed, what all content will be provided to you in the entire course. Now, talking about our crash course June 2024. So, it begins on 5th of February, that is next week. So, those of you who wish to enroll, I have provided the link for the crash course direct link on our description box. So just click on the description box. You'll see all the links over there. So talking about the crash course, first thing first, you'll be having all the live classes on the application itself, and we'll be dealing with all the 13 units in this crash course. Along with that, you'll also be given the practice for your general aptitude as well. Many of the students skip general aptitude during their preparation and they lag behind in the preparation. So you won't have to worry about your general aptitude practicing as well. We'll be providing you with general aptitude classes also. So live and interactive classes will be there for part A, B, C, all of them. Then soft copy notes will also be provided to you. Soft copy revision notes for all the 13 units will be provided to you in the course itself. Then every class which occurs as a live, if you're unable to follow that, no worries, you can use the records for the same. Every particular class recorded part will also be available. So you can download the app, and whenever you feel like to use the classes, you can open the application and use all the classes in the recordings as well. Then daily practice questions. In every class you'll see the practice questions, so every after every topic you'll be practicing out the questions also. In addition, the previous year questions will also be taken up. We'll try to add on as many questions as possible. We are targeting 1000 plus practice question in the same. Regular doubt sessions will be there, weekly test. Then we'll also be having revision of the entire syllabus, like one complete course will be done in of the crash course, and then we'll be revising the entire course on a go also. So twice the entire course will be dealt with, right? So all the units, biochemistry, cell biology, fundamental processes, signaling, deaf bio, plant physiology, animal physiology, genetics, so on and so forth. Every single unit will be dealt in the entire course. The classes begins from 5th of February. Those of you who wish to enroll in the same, you can download our application and get yourself enrolled. So you can enroll via the application also. You can enroll via the website as well. We have our own website also. So just write down Botany Insider and you'll see a website of Botany Insider as well on Google. So if you want, you can get your course purchased via website as well. Live classes, records available, all presentations, DPPs, daily practice questions will be there. PYQ sessions and pointers will be provided. Weekly test, soft copy revision notes, regular doubt session, everything will be provided to you, and the pricing for the same is 3500, and we are running an additional 10% off coupon for early or for initial 20 students, right? So you can download our application and get yourself enrolled. It's a one time payment. You won't have a difficulty in, like, it's a very minimal amount for a crash course, and that too for an examination like CSIR. You can just download the app and get yourself enrolled in this very affordable pricing. Every single thing possible are provided to you in this course itself. And if you're looking for hard copy notes, then you can join in our full course. You'll get hard copy notes as well. We have a number of other courses also running in for you all. So whichever course is more suitable for you, you can check in according to your own preferences and get yourself enrolled accordingly. These are our June 2023 rankers. Many more other students were also there. We have just added a few over here. So, in addition to our crash course, we also have a number of different courses running for our June 2024 examination. We have a full course ongoing. We have a recorded course if you wish to like have only the recorded part. So, we have an all in one course for you all as well. We have notes booklet hard copy, notes booklet soft copies, and now we are starting off with a crash course as well. So this was about for this particular video. We are starting off with a crash course from 5th of February. Those of you who wish to enroll, all the links for our crash course, full course, hard copy notes, I have provided every single link in the description box. Check it out and get yourself enrolled in the same. All the best everyone. Take care. Good luck. Wish to see you all in our crash course that's ongoing, and that's wish to see you all in our crash course, which is starting from 5th of February. All the units will be dealt, all the units along in the live classes will be dealt. You'll be given soft copy revision notes as well, etc. etc. All the information has been provided. You can WhatsApp us on this particular number. We'll solve out if you have any other doubt as well. So 9718170165. You can WhatsApp us. It's our WhatsApp business number. So those of you have any queries, you can WhatsApp us over here and you can get your doubts cleared. All the best. Good luck. Take care, everyone.